This is my second review. I'm sorry, I'm working on my intro. I sent it to someone. They can help me out, but they're kind of taking a while to upgrade my intro, but it is what it is. It's gonna work for now, but today I'm reviewing the Excellent Elite Spanker dump pouch, foldable dump pouch. It came in this packaging, got it from Amazon. It was only like 28 bucks, so that's a pretty good deal for the size, and the multicam coloring, and the texture of this product is good too. Surprisingly, it's made in China, but you know, I gotta put my pride down, and you know, just like I put the price down and get something from a little bit more affordable. You know, it's gonna be for range use. It's not gonna be for, like, you know, my life depending on it. I hope not, that is, but if so, I have other stuff that's gonna take care of it, and I'm pretty sure this dump pouch is not gonna, you know, have my life holding on it. So, but yep, this is it. Here's a comparison when it's folded up next to a mag. So it is pretty size friendly too. If you're gonna have it on your battle belt or plate carrier, IOTV, salt pack. I'm gonna have this on my plate carrier. Maybe later on, if I get a battle belt, I'll probably buy a, you know, a better name brand or something. But I haven't seen a review on this, so I wanted to make the first review on this product. It's really good quality, actually. So this is the Velcro, and this is it when it opens up. There's a mag comparison also. So it extends pretty big. It has extra material with a lock bungee also that can hold the mags tight. Say you know, you're not going to be using this in and out, taking mags in and out. You can close it up, you know, store, I don't know, a drink, keys, car keys, wallet, phone, stuff like that also. You know, it doesn't always have to be a high speed, you know, mag dump pouch. It could be multi-purpose, but yeah, look, it's fairly simple to fold back up, Velcro it, and it's back in. I've seen a couple reviews on their products where their buttons fall out, or that sounds like it's pretty often, but I've seen about, out of a couple thousand, maybe one or two had button malfunctions. I bought 2 products from them already, and I have not had one. And it will be mounted once again on my plate carrier, which is only for range use. Yeah, that's what the inside looks like. Has extra slots for pockets on the side. I like this a lot. Material feels really good. Now let's do the mag test. So let's see how many mags you can actually hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and maybe you can squeeze in 1 or 2 more in there and still have some space with this extra material to top it off, maybe with some brass or extra ammo you're picking up or something like that. But yeah, multicam matches my plate carrier. I really like it. It has an extra molly system right here, clip. Like, for the price this is going for, it is, I believe, the best product, bang for your buck. I mean, I'd understand if it was that cheap and, you know, the multicam's off or something like that, but it's literally perfect. I got told on one of my other videos to make a post review after, you know, maybe a couple months of range use on it, and I will do that with these more affordable products. Yeah, like and subscribe. I got another video coming up of my new AR build I want to break in first, and hopefully get to show it to the world because I'm pretty proud of it. It's a really nice one. Yeah, look, it's just that easy. See, snap on, snap off, and that's it. And they also send you a little thank you card if you guys want to read that.